This is an Excel sheet which will give you an idea of what is the job about. As I mentioned earlier, it is about appending the values. There are two sheets in this. This is data till 10th of April. This is the data only for 11th April. Now, it needs to be done in two steps. If this whole requirement can be done by writing a macro for the appending of values, first the value should get appended within a day, that is the given day is one day, 11/4/2018. Once it is appended, then the remaining values will get pasted here, and again the data here gets appended. So it needs to be done in two steps, but basic idea is same, basic rule is same. Now if you see, my data is based on time frame, sorted time wise. There are 4 labels here. I have given you examples here. This is scenario 1, this is scenario 2. BD means both disappear. R means they remain. That is a note you need to take care. If you see the values, this comes first chronologically and these values come next, if they come next. If these two values come first and if they come next chronologically, same way here, if these two values come first and these values come later chronologically, same way here these two values come first and later if these two values come. That is the way I have classified and placed them. First we will see HFOCS. Whenever the values are like this, these are only examples. This needs to be applied on any values on this side, on these values here. Whenever you have this like these values and the values in LF and LFOCL which come after these values are like this. If you see, HF is equal to LF low, but this is more than these two. In such a case, both the column with these two values and these two values, both of them disappear. Like what I am saying is, this entire column is a column with HF only, and this is a column with LF only. So for example, if I replace these values here and it satisfies the rule, satisfies this rule, both the columns should disappear. This column should disappear with HFOCH. This column should disappear with LF low and LFOCL, provided it should satisfy this condition, the value condition. Here 285.4, it is between these two, but this is equal to this. In such a case, again both should disappear. 258.2, it is less than this. 285.3, it is equal to this. In such a case, both should remain. 285.2, it is less than these two. 285.7, it is more than these two. In such case, both should disappear. Same way, 285.3, it is equal to this 285.4, it is in between these. Whenever in such a case, both should disappear. These are only examples I have given you just to know the value ranges, whether they fall between these two or touching this or touching this or touching this and going below this, touching this and going above this, or without touching above it and middle of it, or middle of it and below it. Whatever ranges, what are the rules that should be followed. And same way, go down, There are few more. 285.5. If both of them are same, they should remain. If both of them are same, they should remain. It's in the middle of these two values. If both of them are same, it should remain. Again, go down. If these two values are changed, say if both of them are same, what are the set of rules here? Okay, that is for HF. And same way, here I'm explaining to you about LF. This comes chronologically. If this comes chronologically first and these come later, what is the rule to be followed? If this appending is done, and once you apply the macro program written for these two scenarios embedded into the program, if that macro is applied on this, the resulting one should be on all these values. Only those which need to remain should remain. Other things should disappear. And once that is applied, I copy and paste that onto this one, on this, and again apply the same macro. Here, the what needs to remain remains. Remaining ones get cancelled out or disappears. That is the basic job. Hope you understood this rule. This video should make it clear. Once you are able to get the idea, please do let me know how many days it will take to do the work and what is a quotation from your side. I will also give you, once we append this to this, that is, once we append internally once and apply it onto the main data, what will be the resulting file also I will be sending to you. You can cross check based on that. The result should look like that. The resulting values should be like that. So basically, we are trying to append one day's values to the main database based on few particular rules. That is the project. Please have a look at it and get back at the earliest. Thank you.